On August 21, 2018, Trinidad and Tobago suffered a massive 6.8 magnitude earthquake. In just over 90 seconds, the earthquake was able to wreak havoc on several buildings and properties all across the capital city of Port of Spain. CCTV footage and civilian video showed grocery items falling off their shelves to prove the powerful earthquake.
Hold on, relax.
In this clip, watch as the quake shatters the glass walls of a supermarket. The disaster caused huge cracks on establishment floors and building walls. Friends and co-workers were seen hugging out the cataclysmic jolt.